Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana daily update. Before we begin, few spots left for the monthly subscription. You will get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, but not only that, a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, of course, market updates, and many more benefits. I have the link in the description down below. You can check it out and you can cancel anytime you like. You can also join the Telegram group chat, hit the like button and subscribe because it helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you for waiting for this introduction. Now let's go and dive into a non-biased technical analysis and price prediction. So right now for Solana, I do believe that we are going up to 232. Okay, I do believe for Solana it will be the 232, 242, 250, and maybe the 260 around there, Tether USD around this area. It doesn't look like we have any bearish. We just have to keep in our mind that we have the Bitcoin in an unstable actually environment. Okay, so you have to be a little bit cautious and careful. Other than that, it is all good. Okay, so for Solana right now, the volume is increasing again. As you can see, moving average is going upwards. We are keep having higher high, higher low pattern right here. Here we had double bottom, and you can see that the MACD is looking fantastic and it follows the price. Okay, this is the most important. When the MACD goes up, the price has to go up. Eventually, if we get a MACD going up but the price remains stable, then this means that we are approaching a top and we should be a little bit careful. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour frame, and on the RSI, the commodity channel index, the stochastic RSI, and of course the 20-day and the 50-day EMA. We are going to open up the SL hybrid a little bit just in case we have a shorter position, but of course not. We do not have a selling opportunity right here for Solana. It is going all the way upwards, and you can see that for Solana right now we are having the 20-day EMA, we are having the 50-day EMA, and when we just went below the 20-day EMA, it was a great buying opportunity. Okay, so let's see the stochastic RSI a little bit. It is already not in an overbought situation. That is perfect. That is pretty cool, and this is why what we are looking on the 4-hour frame on an impulsive wave. Okay, we are looking the stochastic RSI first because if it is in an oversold situation, then it is a great buying opportunity. You can see here we can grow even more. The RSI just went above the 70. Commodity channel index the same. It is the above the 100, but we do not care for these now. Okay, we do not care for these risk metrics as we are in a very nice environment right there and in an impulsive wave. Let's go a little bit to the daily frame because I want to stand there more, and you can see that what we have done on the daily frame with Solana. We even went to the 218 around there, 15 actually to 16, then we just went down. Okay, so right now you can see that on the daily frame we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought situation, a very extreme overbought situation on the daily frame as well. On the commodity channel index, same for the daily on the RSI above the 70. Not a bearish RSI divergence. It is doing incredible right now. It is almost performing so good, and it doesn't seem like it wants to stop right now. Okay, it doesn't seem like we are getting now down. All right, so therefore it is very good, but always remember that it might happen that we are in a very extreme overbought situation, and you can get a very huge selling pressure, especially if Bitcoin crashes. Okay, and then we might lose some technical analysis and support level right there. For the time being on the daily frame, you can see that we recovered here, and this was a very nice step for us to get bullish in the next stage. You can see that on the daily frame we had green color right here candlestick, and we didn't close as a red one or as a shooting star or evening star or something like that with huge sell pressure. We had huge buying pressure as well, and therefore we could close into a green candle. On 7 September we had the mini crash on Bitcoin. All right, and let's open up a little bit the SL hybrid. Buying opportunity here, not a selling opportunity yet. Beautiful stuff going on right there. 20-day MA of course is our major support level. We haven't even touched the 20-day MA. We just don't care on the daily frame. We are going all the way upwards, impulsive wave mode for sure, and you can see that the MACD hasn't even had a bearish cross yet for Solana. Okay, let's go to the Bitcoin chart, and on the Bitcoin chart I will draw one Fibonacci retracement starting from this top, ending up to this from the bottom, sorry, to the top, and you can see that we have this as support level. We might be not even touching this one right here. We might get to the 0.205, and you can see that if you multiply this number by 50, you will get a 250 Tether USD Solana. Okay, so by the time we go there, if let's say Bitcoin is 50k, then if you multiply this number with 50k, you get a 250 Tether USD Solana. Okay, so the next price target is here. And of course, you can see on the 4-hour frame, we are getting close into an overbought situation, but we are not yet, according to the stochastic RSI. Okay, so let's go right now to see the volume right here on the daily frame. We have an extreme overbought situation, but we are looking fantastic. You can see we are going all the way upwards for Solana. It doesn't stop anywhere. Solana against Bitcoin is just outperforming Bitcoin. It is just going insane, totally insane, and this is great for Sol. And we will go soon and quickly to the price analysis, because we want to stay there a little bit longer to discuss many things right there. So we do not need all of these price levels. I will keep this one in case we go to the 259, 260, and of course the 270. We have one more at the 270, and believe me that they might be for the short term. Okay, however, as I've told you, you do not want to be greedy. You saw what in the previous days what happened with Bitcoin. Okay, people were greedy right there. We had a very strong resistance level, and of course then it collapsed and went down. All right, so therefore you should not be greedy at all. It was the first time on the 4-hour frame that we had a strong 20-day MA crossing down the 50-day EMA. Okay, and we want to see whether we might be getting a little bit down right here and have another crash or not. Okay, so you should be careful and you should take profits. In the meantime, 232, 242, 250, 260 and 70 are the major resistance levels and the next price targets. Okay, so right now you can see some support levels, 199, 200 Tether USD, and of course the 190 Tether USD. In case we drop down a little bit, in case we just correct a little bit, but if we close above the 215, be sure that we go up to the 232. That is for sure around there, 233, maybe the 242. If we get a nice Bitcoin recover right here and we go upwards, then of course it will help Solana go even higher, because you can see that Solana is outperforming Bitcoin. So Solana is insane. I'm just telling you what I am seeing and not what you want to hear. Okay, but in overall, for the technical analysis and for what I'm seeing, we are not in a bearish environment yet, although smart money can dump their money anytime now that we have a very high risk and the Bitcoin is unstable. Okay, so always keep that in your mind. It won't be manipulation if we get a very bearish moment for Solana and we stop going upwards. Okay, it is very logical for the time being not go all the way into 500 Tether USD. Okay, but right now, as it seems like it will go to 232, 243, 252, 200 and 60, 71 as well for Solana. Around there, these are the next price targets. It is looking absolutely insane and we might be getting there. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below to get easy profits. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.